In this video, we will add directives inside the schematic, which apply to the PCB. Before we begin, it's important to note that directives in the schematic are only applicable if we are working with design rules using the class Design Constraints Editor, not the Constraints Manager. Ensure that the processor interface is the active document. We can place directives from the menu bar using Place, then Directives, then Parameter Set, or use the ActiveBar as shown. With the directive on the cursor, press the Tab key to edit its properties. In the Properties pane, ensure the value for label is PCB Rule. Under the Parameters panel, click Add, then Rule. Select the Width Constraint rule from within the Routing section as shown. Press the OK button to continue. In the upper section of the rule, set the following values: min width to 30 mil, preferred width to 50 mil, and max width to 100 mil. Click the OK button to close the PCB Rules dialog. Still in the Properties panel, click Add, then Net Class. A new line with the name Net Class Name is generated. Add the name Power in the right cell of the new line. Click the pause symbol to continue the placement of the PCB Rule Directive. Place the PCB Rule Directive on both the 3v3 and 5v wires extending from the top of the J1 component. Place the PCB Rule Directive on one of the ground wires at the bottom of J1. Right-click to exit the command. In this video, we explored how to add directives inside a schematic that apply to the PCB.